Inverting amplifier. This op-amp circuit is the inverting amplifier. In this circuit, the non-inverting input is grounded, Vi is connected to the inverting input through Ri, and the feedback resistor Rf is connected between the inverting input and output. It is a type of operational amplifier circuit which produces an output which is out of phase with respect to its input by 180 degree. This means that if the input pulse is positive, then the output pulse will be negative and vice versa. Here we apply the input signal to the inverting terminal of the op-amp via the resistor Ri. We connect the non-inverting terminal to the ground. Further, we provide the feedback necessary to stabilize the circuit and hence to control the output through a feedback resistor Rf. We know that an ideal op-amp has infinite input impedance due to which the currents flowing into its input terminals are 0. That is, I1 is equal to I2 is equal to 0. Thus, II is equal to If is equal to Vi minus V1 divided by R1 is equal to V1 minus Vo divided by Rf. Also, in case of ideal op-amp, V1 is equal to V2. But here V2 is connected to ground, so V2 is equal to 0. Therefore, V1 is equal to V2 is equal to 0. So, Vi minus 0 by R1 is equal to 0 minus Vo by Rf. That is, Vi divided by R1 is equal to minus Vo by Rf. From this we can say that Vo is equal to minus Rf into Vi divided by R1. So the closed loop voltage gain of the inverting operational amplifier or inverting op-amp is AV is equal to Vo divided by Vi is equal to minus Rf into Vi divided by R1. This indicates that the voltage gain of the inverting amplifier is decided by the ratio of the feedback resistor to the input resistor with the minus sign indicating the phase reversal. Further, it is to be noted that the input impedance of the inverting amplifier is nothing but Ri. Note, there are two types of gains. The one here is the closed loop voltage gain AV, while the op-amp itself has an open loop voltage gain A. The definition of open loop gain at a fixed frequency is AOL is equal to VO by V plus minus V minus, where V plus minus V minus is the input voltage difference that is being amplified. An inverting amplifier reverses the polarity of the input signal while amplifying it. Inverting amplifiers exhibit excellent linear characteristics which makes them ideal as DC amplifiers. The inverting amplifier is used, for example, in a current to voltage converter.